Hi everyone, it's Ron with Forbidden Frosting. Today I am going to be teaching you how to fly on TikTok. To start this video, you want your camera on a tripod or ring light stand. You want the camera to stay in the exact position throughout shooting. You are then going to jump around a lot, ideally 6 inches apart for a smoother finished product. Do your best to maintain the same pose throughout. We filmed each jump separately as it's easier for us to edit. Now trim each clip to the highest point of each jump. Open the app Splice and add every clip in the order you filmed. If you need, you can now fine-tune each clip to your liking. Now check out the finished product. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and we would love to answer them. Have a great day. Bye.